Welcome to Alikare, and I'm Thea. Okay, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make an overnight mask. Why you need to leave this mask overnight, and why is it that you need this mask, especially if you wear makeup and you're wearing the mask. So overnight mask, a mask. All right, so you have to wear the mask because of COVID and so forth. So what happened, especially if you wear makeup, you sweat back the bacteria back onto your skin, sweat it onto the mask and sweat it onto your skin. So that will cause around here, if you notice, if you wear makeup, irritated because the bacteria absorbing into your skin. Not only that, while you sweat, the pores is opening and closing back, and so it's sucking the bacteria plus the makeup back into your skin, and you will find out your skin will break out. Not only that, it is a good mask when you wake up to let your face look glowing, and it helps to not bleach your skin but give you a nice tone bronze look. So it's just an easy thing. Now there's a disadvantage using this mask: your pillowcase, your sheet. Be careful. I use white, right? Mostly use white, 99% time white. But if you use white just like me, find an old pillowcase, or make sure that, because because of the ingredients in there, it might stain your pillowcase. After it's dry, it's not so bad. All right, so let's get into the ingredients, and let me show you how I make these ingredients, and you can try. If you do not want to leave it on for the 24 hours, meaning you want to sleep with it and wake up, then you just keep it on as long as ever, and then wash it off before you go to bed. But leaving it on overnight works really well. Okay, so I'm going to use this extract turmeric. So it's 1 teaspoon turmeric, and 1 teaspoon honey. This oil is very good for sensitive skin, for person who have acne. It is sunflower oil and virgin oil. As you know, it have the sunflower have vitamin E, and vitamin E is good for your skin. So this is why I'm using it. The honey is the antioxidant property, so it take away any bacteria and also help to remove spot and even your skin tone, while the turmeric have a lot of antioxidant properties in it, and it also tone your skin, giving you a nice glow look. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. I'm going to mix everything together. You can use the powdered turmeric, you can grate the turmeric, but I do not want any powdered dust in it. So this is why I extract the turmeric first before I use it. I still get the same amount. No heat is added, so we get all the beneficial ingredients to go on our skin. Right, and then apply it on my face. I'm going to massage it in my skin, and this is the way I self-massage my face. So upward, and then rotary. You can do it back and front, and make sure that your hand go all the way around here. It feels really good, so you want to all the way around. It feels really good, and do it with a little pressing motion, and you will see that nice feeling. Then you want to just do that. Okay, and the nose, and then and that's it, and it smells non-scented. Okay, it doesn't have any smell that will trigger off your sinus